This is Striving Aspirants. Welcome back again to our channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding financial management. Finance is the main important aspect in every business organization. Without finance, without money, we can't acquire anything. To start a business, we require money. To carry out the operations of business, we require money. So management of finance is very much important in a business or a company. So what is financial management actually? Simply we can say it is the managerial activity concerned with planning and controlling of firm's financial resources. When we have certain amount of money in our hand, we have to plan where we have to invest that particular amount, how much we have to invest, and how we can control investing money in different activities. Financial management include acquiring, financing and managing assets with the intention of achieving the overall goals of the business enterprise. Apart from the profit maximization, maximization of shareholders' wealth is also important. In the present world, positive cash flow is more important than book profit amount. If there is no positive cash flow in each day or each month, then the activities of the business will be difficult to carry out. Sufficient funds are required to carry out day-to-day activities. If the cash flow is not in balance, it will be difficult at that times. Let us see one definition from Raymond Chambers. Financial management comprises the forecasting, planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and controlling of all activities relating to acquisition and application of the financial resource of an undertaking in keeping with its financial objective. From the given definition, we can understand it comprises all the management activities like forecasting, planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and controlling of all the business activities. Acquisition and application. It is the main important part in this definition. From where we have to acquire sufficient funds and how we have to apply or when we have to apply those funds. It is important. And this is important because to achieve the financial objective, acquisition and application should be managed in such a manner that it will not disturb the activities of the business. In accordance with the financial management discussion, we have to look into one situation. Consider an entrepreneur is starting a business or a venture. He has to make certain decisions. As a first stage, he has to decide which asset he needs, which asset he needs to purchase. This may include especially the fixed assets, the plant and machinery, the location or premises, the equipment required. These decisions should be taken in the first stage. When the asset is determined, the second stage is to calculate an estimation of total investment required to take or to buy all these assets. That is the second stage. And when it comes to third stage, This is the important stage at which the businessman need to decide regarding the cash required for the daily operations, because he need to continue the business operations. So daily operations cost or the cash amount required is important. This may include the payment required for the raw material, salaries, wages, and some other type of expense. All this should be determined. How much cash it will be costing should be calculated by the entrepreneur. These all can be called as the working capital requirements. After the determination of fixed assets, their cost, then working capital, their cost, then we come to the last stage where we have to decide what all sources of finance is required. To say simply, the entrepreneur need to tap to finance the total investment, assets plus working capital. The source can be issuing share capital plus whatever the entrepreneur is having in his hand can be taken into consideration, or he can borrow money from any other persons or from banks or any other financial institutions. After the determination of each source, the entrepreneur need to keep in mind regarding the cost of each capital or each source like interest, dividend, etc. to be paid. And the entrepreneur need to keep the cost of capital low. So with this example, we can conclude financial management as the efficient acquisition, that is financing, and allocation, that is investment in assets, working capital or funds, with an objective to make profit or dividend for the owners. To conclude, focus of financial management is to address three major financial decisions, that is investment decision, financing and dividend decisions. So that's all about the introduction to financial management. I hope you got a simple idea regarding managing the finance. So we will see in the next video. Until then, this is bye from Striving Aspirants. Take care, subscribe our channel. Bye bye. Thank you.